and grew and grew and grew. And by the time you got to December of 2020, Bitcoin was up to $19,000 just then in December of 2020, which was, by the way, just a couple of months ago. Well, if you would actually put your $500 in the Bitcoin in 2010 at 0.003 and then cash it out in 2020 at $19,000, you would have had over $3.1 billion. Now, as crazy as that sounds, consider this. Right before I actually started to look at this presentation, I looked at the value of Bitcoin, and now it's over $57,000 per coin. So that's triple this number. That's triple this number. That's how much it's grown. It's been the number one growth asset in the history of the world over the past 10 years, and it's still going. Now, if you think you've missed it or you're too late, keep this in mind. That right now, the same people who projected that Bitcoin would get up to 19 or 20,000 by the end of 2020, those same people are projecting that Bitcoin will go anywhere from 200,000 to $300,000 per coin by the end of 2021. That's right. This year, by December of this year, you could be looking at a Bitcoin level that is 4 or 5 or 6 times higher than it is right now today. And if that's not enough convincing for you, consider this. Mainstream world businesses are now actually getting involved with Bitcoin. PayPal, MasterCard, BMW, Microsoft, AT&T. All of these companies are going out and putting things in place to help them either accept Bitcoin or acquire and accumulate Bitcoin because they understand what's going on. This is not a fad. This is not something that's going to peter out over the next couple of weeks or months, or people are going to come to their senses. This is the new transition to the new form of preferred currency that people are moving into, and the businesses in the know, they get it. Look around your own community. In major cities, you've got retail stores, pharmacy chains, airports all over the world that are starting to stock themselves up with Bitcoin ATMs because the big banks, that's right, the billion-dollar players, they want to get in on it too by understanding that being able to offer transaction fees by allowing people to go in and out of Bitcoin, that's where they want to actually get paid. So $1 billion infrastructure being set up all over the world to support Bitcoin. That's why Bitcoin. Now, BitLocity, we're all about the educational platform, thus BitLocity Academy. We're going to provide for you the best online video training platform that has ever been seen anywhere on the planet. And we're going to start from the very, very basics, right? Because I know even as I'm speaking on here and I'm talking about Bitcoin and blockchain, a lot of you may not completely understand anything about those terms. That's okay. You're definitely in the right place. But we're going to go through that. What is blockchain? You know, how is that tech going to change the world? What is cryptocurrency and why is it here to stay? What is crypto mining? Is there the ability for you to actually create an additional revenue stream there? What is crypto trading? I know a lot of people are really interested in that, and we're going to talk about crypto trading at every different level, from the very basics of what is it and how does it work to when we get to our advanced levels when we're talking to people about how to spot trends in altcoins and how to actually utilize them in the safest, most prosperous way. So again, all of that training is going to be available for you in the BitLocity Academy. Now, I know the other question it seems to come up all the time is this a smart contract? And again, real quick tutorial for those of you that are not familiar with that technology. You've got traditional contracts, which I'm sure we're pretty familiar with, right? Where two parties can come to some sort of agreement. We write it down on paper. We put it on paper and sign it as a contract. And then we go to a third party, whether it be a bank or a real estate office or some type of attorney, to execute that contract. Smart contracts are more advanced now in utilizing blockchain technology, where they allow you to simply eliminate the middleman, which can be very expensive and can also require a great deal of trust. Now, two parties can get together. They can actually put it into a contract on the blockchain that is instantly executed. It simply says, if this happens, then that automatically happens, and it basically eliminates the need for a middleman. Smart contract technology is all the rage, and it is absolutely incredible. But when we looked at how they wanted to develop this platform here at BitLocity, they looked at all of the aspects of the smart contracts out there. They said the pros, they are obvious. It's 100% transparent, peer-to-peer, so no one's ever touching your crypto. It's on the blockchain. We just talked about how secure that was, and completely decentralized. Okay, that was huge. But there were some cons as well to smart contracts. And those of you that have ever been involved with them, I'm sure you would agree. Number one, they're starting to incur increased fees. Didn't like that. Also, they weren't developed for the BTC blockchain, for the Bitcoin blockchain. And we just told you the amazing things that are happening in Bitcoin. So we wanted to operate in that realm. And also, smart contracts were open source. A lot of people think that's cool, but if you're developing an incredible model and you don't want your competitors to see behind the scenes of how you're able to do some of the unique things that you're doing, open source is a death blow. They can simply look at all of your code because it's open source. They can build a competitor that does the exact same thing and they can attack you with your own code. It doesn't make any sense. So we didn't like that at all. So we said, hey, we love all of these things and we want all of these elements, but we don't want these things. So what the developers here did is they created a smarter contract, an advanced proprietary tech providing instant peer-to-peer payouts utilizing algorithms of a highly advanced crowdfunding infrastructure. So again, they kept all of the pros, got rid of all of the cons, developed a better model, one that didn't have the increased fees, one that could operate on the Bitcoin blockchain, and then one that wasn't open source, so we wouldn't be enabling our competitors to come and actually try to beat us with our own tech. So from this point on, I want to talk to you about BitLocity. I'm going to talk to you about what's going to happen with our crowdfunding initiative, but I also want to tell you clearly who we are as well as who we are not, so there's zero confusion out there in the market. So from a legal liability notice, listen, this presentation is for educational purposes only. The information we're going to share is not to be considered as financial advice because we're not financial advisors, okay? We're simply sharing with you what's going on. The most important thing, though, I want you to understand and take from this is BitLocity is not an investment platform, nor does it sell our market securities. I see so many people out there, all over YouTube. I know there's a lot of buzz about us on all the social media networks and channels, and we appreciate that. But a lot of people still saying, hey, this is the best way to invest your money. This is the best return on investment you're ever going to get. And, these guys are going to show you how to make money buying and selling. All you got to do is throw some Bitcoin in and it's going to come back to you. Listen, we're not an investment platform and we don't sell our market securities. I want to make that clear from a company standpoint. If you don't feel like you want to actually take my advice, that's fine. But I want to make it clear to all who are listening, that's not who we are. BitLocity is a platform that was designed to empower people in the crypto markets. And the BitLocity rewards plan that we're going to go through should not be interpreted when we show you the examples as guarantees of earnings. That's who we're not. BitLocity is a community empowerment platform where with a $25 annual membership that provides the education and tech needed to capitalize in the new crypto world by participating in a crowdfunding initiative. Our mission is to educate, enhance, and enrich our worldwide community about disruptive blockchain technology. So hopefully we are now on the same page. And with that said, let's talk about our peer-to-peer crowdfunding platform. This is pretty amazing what we've actually put together here. I will tell you though, the people who developed BitLocity, they were very aware of what was happening out there in the marketplace. And when they went out and started talking about developing this type of platform, everybody had advice, and just about everybody boiled it down to one simple thing. If you want to be successful, you're going to have to focus in one of three areas, because these are the three primary areas that all the other companies have decided to play in one of these three areas. They said, listen, a lot of companies out there are focusing on the little guy, the person who may not have been the biggest recruiter or the biggest influencer before, but hey, there's a lot of them. So if you focus on a little guy, you can get tons and tons and tons of people that will take a look at BitLocity. Other people said, hey, you know what? Yeah, let's focus on providing some maximum leverage for the masses. Again, if you can get that middle group, if you will, and provide them a maximum leverage opportunity, you can actually get some real traction with BitLocity. And there's some people who said, you only want to focus on them. And then other people said, look, forget all that other advice. Just go get the leaders. If you get the leaders, then everybody else will follow, because everybody follows the leaders. They said, but you got to focus on one or the other. Well, as you may have already learned about us, we don't like to listen to all of the advice that people are telling us about what we can't do. We said, why would we focus on one of those groups when we believe we can, for the first time, do something that no one else has done, which is provide something that is going to allow us to focus on all three of them simultaneously. So you can decide after you see this if we were successful in our agenda. Now, the first thing I want you to understand when it comes to our rewards plan is that we've got these 14 different rank options, starting at our bronze $25 contribution level, all the way up to our VIP Crown Ambassador 100,000 contribution level. Now, the amazing thing about these levels is that you can actually put in a contribution to get to any of these levels you want. You can actually contribute to as many of them as you want at any time, but it has to be done in order. What does that mean? You can't just come in and say, hey, I want to make a $100 contribution to be platinum. No, you're going to have to actually make a $25 bronze, $50 silver, $75 gold, and a $100 platinum level to be at the platinum level. So as many as you want, whenever you want, but it has to be done in order. The other thing I want you to understand is that there's a $25 annual membership fee. Okay, that is in addition to these contributions. So you make that $25 membership fee, and now you are involved, and now you can simply go out and make the contributions at the levels that you're interested in. And I'm going to show you how these levels work here in just a moment. But guys, by the way, the VIP levels 12 through 14, I'm going to give you a little bit of extra here about those VIP levels here in a second as well. Now, coming with that $25 membership, we're always going to be consistently adding more and more value. When you see all the different things we're pouring into it, you're going to be blown away. But just this, our incredible mobile marketing system, the mobile app powered by Business Glue, this alone has blown people away and said that alone was worth the membership fee, because it literally is your business in the palm of your hand, with training, with suggestions, with the ability to know, with the ability to understand what's going on when you're actually receiving contributions at any time. It's amazing what has been put into this one mobile app, and this is just tip of the iceberg, just the beginning of the type of value that's going to go into that $25 membership. The other thing that you have to understand is that all of those ranks are directly connected to the BitLocity Academy. So every single time that you upgrade and you open up a new rank, you are also getting access to more video training within the BitLocity Academy. With every package you upgrade, you receive an additional course to educate you on how to monetize the crypto and blockchain world. So it works hand in hand together to produce an incredibly powerful result. So hopefully you understand that. Now, the VIP ranks, again, this is the top levels in the company. And when you're getting to these ranks, in addition to everything else that we just talked about, you're going to get mastermind educational programs, and you're going to get customized coaching programs with some of the best coaches in the world. I'm telling you, we're talking about people who right now are recognized throughout the world as world-class speakers and trainers and developers, and they are actually lending their talents here to BitLocity, and that's going to be available as you start moving through our VIP levels. Also, we want to have other rewards programs in place, and one of them, just one of them, is an incredibly luxury car program. It's this very same program that's been used by high-level athletes and high-level entertainers around the world. Basically, you're going to get different benefits depending on your VIP rank, but all of those specifics are going to be posted in your BitLocity back office as well. Now, let's get to the elements of our super aggressive rewards plan, and then we can wrap up here, and hopefully at that point you're in a position to make an informed decision. It starts for us with our $25 and infinity line. This is the very, very beginning of our rewards plan. It's that bronze and silver level that we talked about, those first two packages that you can make contributions at. Now, this global infinity line is incredibly fascinating because the way that it works, I'm going to show you just an example using the $25 infinity line, but the $50 infinity line works exactly the same way. So please understand that there's no difference between the 25 and the 50, except for obviously the amount of Bitcoin, $25 versus $50. But what happens is when you decide to get started, the second that you are actually getting started and you're actually making your $25 contribution, you are dropping into our global infinity line with a definitive timestamp attached to your position. So if you got started at 9:03 a.m. and 1 1/4 of a second, you would drop into the infinity line with that time timestamp. If right after that, someone on the other side of the world, someone that you'll probably never meet before, they don't even speak the same language as you, not even in the same time zone as you, they drop in at 9:03 a.m. in 1/2 of a second, they will drop behind you in the infinity line. And that continues to go on and on and on. This is one global build. It has nothing to do with who referred you to BitLocity or how many people you referred. It has nothing to do with that. Just one straight line global build. Now, the way that it works is once you're in that infinity line and other people are being inserted behind you based off of their timestamp as well, what's going to happen is the algorithm is going to actually send you the $25 contribution that's coming from two of the people that are behind you. One of those $25 contributions is going to go directly to your Bitcoin wallet. It's yours, pure and simple, clean, clean and clear. It's yours. But the other $25 contribution, that is going to be used to simply cycle you back around, loop you back around, if you will, to the back of the global infinity line, wherever that is, right at that exact second, and give you a brand new timestamp with $25 again of Bitcoin that can be sent forward to the next person that the algorithm says is supposed to go to. Here's what's great. The second you go in there, again, the moment you go in there, there's a brand new timestamp. And guess what? People are still joining from all around the world or simply looping back around themselves back behind you, which means you'll have the opportunity to loop again and again and again and again, producing potentially unlimited $25 and $50 contributions coming to you. Again, one global straight line, one global build. The company does not take anything from this, so it's all yours, and it's all done just because of the timestamp. So one global straight line, position is determined simply by timestamp, not by who recruited you or how special you are or what we think about you. It's unlimited $25 and $50 contributions, and no recruiting is required to get paid in this global infinity straight line system. This is why everybody on the planet is buzzing about this, is simply because, again, no recruiting required for this $25 global infinity line. You are now actually getting the benefit of all of the efforts of the company and all of the other members of the BitLocity community. Now, the second part of our super aggressive rewards plan is our dual-sided maximum leverage plan. We call it dual-sided because it's got two sides. On the left side, we have a leverage builder unilevel. On the right side, a 1/3 speed matrix. Hey, I'm going to go through this for you a piece at a time. I know some of you are not from this industry, so I'm speaking a foreign language. Unilevel, matrix. What does that mean? You're going to understand what it means as we go through this.